的做个松饼，我告诉你，你就加些松饼粉，可能加个蛋。哎，我今天锁我的门了吗？
After ballin', I go clubbing, then I'm hugging, then I'm hungry, and I'm walking on the street, and I'm getting grumpy. I see chow by my right, as my food in the air. It's Chinese food, my favorite, so I'm getting hungry. I love Chinese food.
Worried about leftover rice? Check this out to turn the leftover rice into a yummy recipe.
I love noodles, I love chow mein, I love Chinese food. You know that it's true. I love fried rice, I love noodles, I love chow mein. Read the menu, they got broccoli, even chicken wings. Make it spicy, and you like it, 'cause it's beautiful, and it tastes so good. I like the egg rolls.
To start with, let's take the rice in a bowl and smash it.
So good. Fortune cookies.
To the rice, now let's add grated cabbage, carrot, coriander, 1 tablespoon chili flakes, 3 tablespoon corn flour, 1 tablespoon soya sauce and salt to taste. Now let's bind everything together. Now it's ready. Let's make balls out of it in the size of a amla. Once we are done, it will look like this. Now let's fry them in hot oil until they turn golden brown.
After ballin', I go clubbing, then I'm hugging, then I'm hungry, and I'm walking on the street, and I'm getting grumpy. I see chow.
Rice balls are now ready. Let's start making the sauce for it. To a pan, let's add 1 tablespoon oil. Once the oil is heated up, we will add finely chopped ginger and garlic and let it saute for a minute. We will now add chopped onion and green chilli followed by cabbage and capsicum, and we will allow it to saute for about 2 minutes.
After ballin', I go clubbing, then I'm hugging, then I'm hungry, and I'm walking on the street, and I'm getting grumpy. I see chow.
Once the veggies are half cooked, let's add 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, half a teaspoon of grounded pepper, and salt to taste. Remember, all the sauces that we have added will have salt in them. So when you add salt, do it accordingly. Saute the mixture for 2 minutes. Take 2 tablespoons of corn flour, mix it with little amount of water to form a thin paste, and then add it into the mixture and give it a nice stir. Add a little amount of water to get this consistency. Our sauce is now ready. It's time for us to add the rice balls into it.
'Cause it's beautiful, and it tastes so good.
Give it a nice mix.
Egg rolls and the wonton soup. This makes me feel so good.
Our yummy to tummy rice ball Manchurian is now ready to eat.
Chinese food. I love Chinese food. You know that it's true. I love fried rice. I love noodles. I love chow mein. I love Chinese food. You know that it's true. I love fried rice. I love noodles. I
Chinese food and some wonton soup. Get me broccoli while play Monopoly. Don't be a busy bee, cause it's your fantasy to eat Chinese food and grow and chop suey.